You think it's hard to create viral long videos? Watch this. That entire animated piece you just saw, it was created with just one AI tool and a single prompt. It's easier than you think, and I'm about to show you how.
Alex wanders through mountains of waste.
As a special thanks, I'm giving away 3 pro accounts to the platform.
What are you doing?
To enter, simply register using the link below, try the platform, and then share your feedback in the comments for a chance to win a pro account. Hello friends! What you see on the page is the Videoinu platform, a perfect combination of different story and video maker tools like Halo and Kling. Hello, my name is Kai, and we're going to blow this studio up today. Let's do it! On the start page, you'll see a few parts. There's a video tutorial, and at the top, you'll find your profile and credits. You'll also see 2 different options, the character and the AI generator. Let's check out the character first. It's simple. Just pick a name and the gender, category, and style, then describe it. You can use the AI for this, or even upload a picture. I used a simple description for my character. Let's see the result. Let's change the style and try again. There are tons of options for you to pick. Test them out, and when you're happy with the result, simply click Apply. Now, for the main event, let's see the video generation part. It contains a few sections. The main one is the script section, followed by duration, ratio, language, and finally the style. To keep things simple, let's start with a platform sample script. Later, we'll get to use our own one. On the next page, you can customize the script. Feel free to change the visuals or description, or even add or remove scenes. When you're ready, click Next. Based on your story and the main script you provided, the platform will add a character for you. You can choose from the characters you've already created, or you can ask the AI to create one for you. You can customize each character. You have the freedom to change their name, voiceovers, and age, or even switch up their style again. If you want to make a perfect video, the trick is to change each thing one by one. If you're not happy with the characters, you can always regenerate them. In this case, I'm happy with them, so I'll continue. You need to let the AI finish the storyboard before you start, so just wait. So, this is the page where you'll want to spend all your time and focus. For each shot, you'll first want to change the story and voices if needed. After that, fix and expand the prompt. And don't forget to use add for characters. So, for example, let's change the voiceover and add lip sync to the first shot. I want him to say, "Let's go to school," so I'll add the text. But a quick tip, don't forget to change the voiceover to the character's voice. Otherwise, things could go wrong.
Let's go to school.
Now let's animate it. Unfortunately, the lip sync feature doesn't accept custom prompts. So, for a complex scene with lots of characters, you can change the voiceover to the character's voice and hope for the best. In the anime section, you can use different tools, such as Kling. You can animate your entire video and even use a custom prompt for some AI engines. For this shot, let's try out high-low with an auto prompt. While the last shot is generating, I'll go ahead and use Kling with a custom prompt for the third shot. Let's see the results.
Let's go to school. Let's go to school.
Alright, now let's see what Hilo came up with. Well, that's a bit disappointing, but a custom prompt can help a lot. Let me show you a trick for complex scene lip sync.
What a quiet night. What a quiet night.
With regular lip sync, as you can see, the AI gets confused. The trick is to use either high-low or Kling. Then, in the custom prompt, tell the character to talk and simply add a voiceover. And check out how perfect the result is.
What a quiet night.
Now let's get back to our main story. As you can see, Kling is perfect, but it's also quite expensive. Now for the moment of truth. Let's use that lip sync trick I gave you for the next shot and see what it gives us.
Look, I can see the school.
I loved it. That was hilarious. Let's see it again.
Look, I can see the school.
Okay, now I will pause to animate all the shots, and then we will continue together. Oh boy, it's all done. I'm going to show you some quick shots,
Hello, Whisker. Let's play together.
and then we'll jump straight to the results. The final steps are really simple. If you want a title, you can just pick one from the options provided. Same with subtitles. Pick if it's needed. The last step is all about the vibe. You can pick background music for your clips, and if you're aiming for YouTube, you can choose tracks that are already suited for YouTube publishing. I should confess, it's the first time I've seen a platform provide music for YouTube. It's absolutely amazing. Thumbs up for this. Now, let's see the result.
Whisker's first day at Acorn Academy.
So let's go to school.
Mom reassures her anxious little kitten. Whiskers and Mom journey to Acorn Academy.
Look, I can see the school.
Whiskers arrives at his new school.
Hello, Whisker. I'm Squeaky.
Hello, Whisker. Let's play together.
Whiskers discovers fellow kittens. New friendships form through play. Whiskers heads home with happy memories.
You thought it was over? It's not! You can easily upload your own image and use the AI to lip sync and animate it. This is crazy, right? It's a fully customizable platform. I really like Videoinu. Let's see the result.
Hello, my name is Kai, and we are going to blow this studio up today. Let's...
Now, you might be wondering how you can create an action video. The answer is that it can be pretty time-consuming. As you can see, I sometimes had to recreate images up to 20 times to get the result I wanted. But the process is the same. Maybe in a few months or years, the generated action scenes will look as amazing as the AI cartoons we see today. At the end, I wanted to show you other languages. As you can see, the description is in English, and you can easily edit it. The voices, subtitles, and titles will be in your selected language. Don't worry about the editing, generation, and animation. They are all the same, so you can use this with peace of mind. And for a final comparison, I should say that Videoinu is one of the best platforms I've recently reviewed. With an impressive and smooth design, amazing voiceovers, the ability to select the main character in each scene, music from YouTube, and powerful engines like Kling, this platform is already the best, especially at such a fair price. I'm so glad you made it this far. It was an honor to accompany you. We'll see you in the next video, and I wish you all the best.